Hey guys, this is Jags, the designer of Packout Campers. In this video, we're going to talk about storage. Our camper is designed 8 foot in length, so you still have a usable roof rack. Having a usable roof rack, you can store your Zargus case, your Pelican case, your Pro Eagle jack, your 2 jerrycan, and all those dirty and bulky gear you don't have to put inside your camper. Going on the side, our MaxTrax is mounted to our MaxTrax table, which double as a functional table. With going door, you can have access to your gear on the side without opening the tailgate. And on this side, you have 2 camper cubbies that can store your kitchen stuff. The cool thing with this camper cubbies is you can move it either sides of the camper, or you can remove it whenever you want. You can also add MOLLE panels on the gull wings to store MOLLE pouches for even more organization. Inside the camper, we utilize the space as efficiently as possible. Storage space on any truck, especially a 5-foot bed, is premium. We've turned this wasted space under the bed as a storage option. You can store your blankets, your guns, your pillow, your clothing underneath. Up in our tent, our roof comes standard with pockets, so you can store smaller items like your phones, your keys, or your iPad. And also, this pocket panel is on a bungee system, so you can store bulkier things like your jackets to put them away. Camper roof is 3.5 inch in depth, so you can close the camper without removing your pillows and blankets. On top of a roof, you can add L-track, so you can store your kayak, your snowboard, even your mountain bike. Our roof is rated up to 400 pounds evenly distributed weight. You can mount your bike on the side of the camper if you don't want it mounted to your hitch or in the roof. We're the only campers that has this option. You can mount your 270 awning and shower tent on either side of the camper using the T-tracks right here on the side. If you don't have a mounting bracket, we offer those too as well. When your gear has dedicated space, you can keep your camper pretty spacious inside, even with a smaller truck bed. With Packout Campers, it's easier to organize. You can use all the T-tracks all around the frame to your advantage. So let's minimize your setup so you can spend more time enjoying the outdoors. Let's pack out and explore.